So before we take a look at the mole, I just wanted to go over my notes on mixtures from last class. So it turns out that the IB has a different definition than homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. There is a little bit of confusion. There are sort of two varying definitions. So when we're talking about homogeneous mixtures, again, the prefix homo means same. What the IB's definition of a homogeneous mixture is this idea that it has the same composition throughout. So if you took a spoonful of the mixture at the top, at the bottom, in the middle, the composition would be the same. If you let it rest over a period of time, it would not physically separate. So that's what it means. That's what does not separate physically on standing means. Some examples would be air, so the gases in air don't separate out on standing. Metal alloys, so things like brass and bronze. Seawater is another example. The salt doesn't separate out on standing if you just have a glass of seawater. The IB's definition of heterogeneous mixtures is this idea that they have a non-uniform composition. So taking a spoonful from one place will get you a different composition than taking a spoonful from another place, and they can separate on standing. So an example of this, which the IB uses, is this idea of oil and water.